Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual car, like a Kia Rio, step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the controls. Your left foot operates the clutch pedal, which disconnects the engine from the wheels. Your right foot manages both the brake and accelerator pedals. The gear stick, typically located in the center console, allows you to select different gears for varying speeds and power. To begin, ensure the car is in neutral and your left foot fully depresses the clutch pedal. Then, turn the key to start the engine. With the clutch still down, select first gear. Now, slowly and smoothly lift your left foot off the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying gentle pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. This coordination is key to a smooth start without stalling. Once you've gained some speed in first gear, it's time to shift up. Accelerate until the engine reaches about 2,500 to 3,000 revolutions per minute. Then, quickly press the clutch pedal all the way down while lifting your foot off the accelerator. Shift the gear stick to the next higher gear, then smoothly release the clutch as you gently press the accelerator again. When you need to slow down or require more power, you'll downshift. Press the clutch, move the gear stick to a lower gear, and then smoothly release the clutch. To come to a complete stop, press both the clutch and the brake pedals simultaneously. Once stationary, shift the gear stick into neutral, release the clutch, and engage the parking brake for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.